Hello, today we're trying to beat this hobby. This roller coaster hobby. It doesn't look that bad. Anyways, I just wasted like 13 minutes of my life because I accidentally ended the video when I didn't want to. Jesus. Oh wait, that's right. That's where I accidentally ended the video. That one feeling when you can't park your car. Oh, come on. I don't like this one. One of the main reasons why is because my fingers hurt really bad after just hold gas. Except teleporting to level 9. Oh my god. I know that's the last place I was, but it doesn't mean you have to teleport me there every time I die. Whatever. Life is what it is. I don't like this. My hand's starting to hurt. Oh, I almost let go. Come on, I hate this. If there's another one after this, I'm gonna kill myself. Oh wow, just what I thought. Look at that. Look at that, another one appeared. Guess what time it is? But anyways, here it goes. Psych! I don't like this. Oh wow, after a few thousand years I finished it. Oh my god. Let's go. I should have spent my Robux on buying the car, not actually completing the car, because look where it got me now. I can't even afford the skip pass. And guess how much that is? 38 Robux. I have 0. So embarrassing. Oh, so scary. I'm really scared. What's the worst that can happen? Bye-bye. No. Should I have been dead? Oh my god. Come on, come on. Run. I gotta run. Okay, I didn't really know that this is even possible. Okay, can this freaking music shut up? Oh no! I want to do that. I want to go level 4. Ow! Okay, whatever. I'll do this again. Go. Me when I try to my hardest to park my car. Come on. Can this car go any faster? Me when I jump off a cliff. So I'm on level 6. Are you? What a surprise. So interesting. So it's definitely something I would want to waste like 5 years of my life on. Whatever. Get it over with. Let's go. This day of my life. I finally finished it after 5 years. No way. Anyways. Good night. Me when I don't even try to park my car. Anyways. Why did I die? I didn't even touch anything. You can't even die of fall damage. Damage I did. Oh my God. So embarrassing. These piles. You'll be the one piles of rocks. And then your car looks like a pancake, and then all of a sudden it's you left. And then you end up on level 18. Let's go. Yeah. This is level 10. We're just gonna do it in order, just so in case I don't cheat. Because I can't cheat. I'm not that rude. Are you? If you are, then get the hell out of here. Okay, that was temporarily embarrassing. Okay, that was really embarrassing. Oh no. I'm still alive. Have you subscribed yet? If not, then get the hell out of here. What are you doing in my video? Only subscribers are allowed. If you're on the TV, then it's okay. You don't really have to subscribe. That's how TVs work for some reason. Let's go. Okay. Let's just pretend like we never saw that. What is this? I'm stuck. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong level. I'm level 10, not level 18. Whee! No, I almost landed perfectly on the annoying level. I never want to see him again in my life. By the way, do you want to know something crazy? I almost just saw that level again. Because of what? Really? Come on. Thank you. Okay, that was the first time I've ever made that jump. I did it again. Oh, I did it again. I finished the level. I'm super happy that I can cry myself to sleep. Because there's still like 10 more. Why am I going so fast? I don't know why. No, that's not the level I want. I'm in the wrong level. I'm not level 18 yet. I'm not that powerful. I'm level 12. Yeah, I know, right? I'm a weakling. Let's go! Ah! Okay, what was that? Bro, that wall had no collision. Woo! So somehow right after this loop, I need to slow down. Like that? No! I wanna blow up. Woo! Oh wow, what a beautiful view. If this is impossible, I'm just gonna skip because I got really lucky. Because I landed it. No, slow freaking down! Is it even possible to slow down? Just like it's even possible to like and subscribe. Is it? Whee! No. Okay, I think it's way too hard. We're going to go on to level 13. Which does not look really safe. Yep, it's not that safe. At least it's more safer than I expected. First person time! Never mind. That kind of sucks. I want to jump into a point propeller right now. Oh, no! Oh, nah, psych. 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 What am I supposed to do? I don't know what to do. What was that? No, stop. Okay, it looks like I'm on level 13. Or not. Okay. I wasn't. Whee! So fun. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. No! Okay, that was literally the dumbest decision I've ever made in my whole life. Stop. Almost to where is this water? I drive slower than that one grandma in the minivan. Okay, I gotta run because I don't know, because there's a monster. There's a four-eyed leg man chasing me. I don't know why I gotta run. I just have to, because it's fun to run. Bye. See you later. Have fun swimming with the sharks. Yep, right into the water. Level 16. Go. It can't be that bad, right? What? It's 10 o'clock. Here we go. Level 17. Bye-bye, Mr. Carman. Whoa! God, you scared me. Give me a heart attack. Okay, I don't like this. Level 18. I gotta pass this whorehouse. Okay, I'm not like this so far. If this was easy, how would I not be on fire? Okay, I'm gonna just run for it. Run. 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 Okay, I don't like this. I just gotta run. I'm gonna go for it. Rid of you or not. Let's go. Get out of here, you stupid car. No one likes you. Except me. But I'm just gonna push you off a cliff because I want to. Ding. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, I regret every single life decision of my life. That life decision was even more worse than the last one I made. Now have fun getting blown up, little boy. Okay. Nope. Are you freaking kidding me right now? No, I gotta click the check mark before I die. Let's go. Now if I choose to jump off a 30-story platform. No. Come on. I can do it. When? Embarrassing. See first or first or no. Okay. Not really. Not really. Skirt, skirt. I landed it. Oh my. How did I die? I was not even touching the platform. I wasn't even touching you. So, no, I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. touch. Never.
Golf is more than a game. It's...
What is this? What the hell is this? I don't know, but whatever it is, I don't like it. How'd this happen? If I get out of the car. Whee! Whee! Oh yeah, I'm gonna touch this car. Oh. Don't give up. I don't let you down. Never gonna give you up. No. What the hell was that? Okay, it's just my imagination. Okay, it was just a friendly kiss toy. Right? Yeah, it was just a friendly kiss toy. Yep. No! What if I accidentally get into a bad car accident? I won't be able to respond. Come back here. Now I can go to the finish line and meet up where my dad is to get so I can finally meet him after like 43 years. Yay, I did it. So fun. 21 already. I guess. Dang, how much is there? This course is as big as your mom. Woo! Go fast. Go fast. Oh no, I'm running out of gas. Anyways, I made it and I did a flip. Anyways, that was pretty fun. No, it wasn't. Is there still another one? Oh. This course is really like your mom. Okay, I'll stop doing that. Psych. My butt is flying. Not enough energy. Are you kidding me? And now I'm doing flips. Whee! Don't give up this time. Oh no, your booty hole lifted up into the air. Okay, now I gotta go not too fast, not too slow. Right? I'm so good at YouTube. Right? Oh, slow down, slow. I'm gonna be slow as the grandma in front of you in your minivan. Okay, now my car's stuck. It looks like a mashed burrito. But now I got a new one. Psych! What? She tried to get into my car and then I just ran her over. Okay, I regret every life decision. No. They gave me the same course. Oh, slow down, slow. Ooh, so slow. Let's go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Squeezy. I'm gonna squeeze it. I'm gonna squeeze it so hard, I'm gonna squeeze it really hard. So, I never thought I'd see the live day where I have a sedan 1980s edition. Why are you telling me something's really steep? That literally looks like a regular hill. Are you dumb? Are you blind? Do we need to go to the eye doctor or something? Oh, so steep. Oh, so steep. Is that a plane? Don't tell me bro got a plane. Well, congratulations. Your plane kind of sucks. Did you see that? Okay, never mind. I regret that. Actually, I don't regret that. It's who's in front of you now. Oh wow, that's so interesting. Well, it's not so interesting when I will finally wipe out. Yo, Mr. Basic Man in the plane. Look at this flip. Okay, don't look at the flip. That was so embarrassing. I never want to do a flipping again. I never want to do a flip again. Guess what, little boys? Okay, I'll stop that. I'm never doing a flip again. That was so embarrassing. That was the most embarrassing thing I've done so yet. Free. Okay, I regret this. I look like I'm in a hammock. It looks like your mom came to squash me. No plane, how dare you? You're embarrassing. Just like me doing my backflips. My mom always said, I'm as beautiful as my backflips. It looks like your mom actually went on this track because it looks kind of dented up. I'm guessing that was him. Okay, this is... Okay, am I really doing this? Can't I just get a vote? No? Okay. Oh, I regret life decisions when I don't land a backflip. Oh, hey look, I'm gonna press this person. I'm gonna press all the ladies. Let's go. Did you like that? Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. I don't think she liked that because she just bented my... Okay, I don't think she really liked that. Guess what? Watch this. Okay, why? Let me jump in your plane. How dare you? I'm gonna catch up to you. Come back here, Mr. Plane Man. Whee! Ha, loser, I'm in front of you. This car go like 5 seconds faster, that'd be useful. No! Okay. We're good. Oh my god. Am I ever going to complete this? Because I bet not. Oh my god. Don't mess this up. Oh my god. No, 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 no! Wee. Do you like that, mister? Do you like that, missus? No? I mean, you're technically bad at it. Unlike me, that's totally not stuck right now. Whee! Oh! I was so close and then I screwed it up. Why? How dumb am I? Whee! 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 This is starting to suck. Woo! Please don't mess this up. If I do, I'll literally be more embarrassing than my entire YouTube channel. Okay, if I mess this up again, this will be more embarrassing than my entire YouTube channel. Come on, just get your fat ass. How fat is this guy? Oh, come on, no. Yes! Okay, now all I need to do is not mess this up. I thought the back wheels were supposed to drive, not the front. Now go extremely slow. Don't mess this up. Or else I'll cry to sleep. No. Yes! Let's go. Really? Oh, whatever. Let's just do it again until I finish it. Whatever. We're just gonna play some different music this time. What the hell happened there?
Please turn on your magic beam. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Mr. Sandman,
Please.
bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him the word that I'm not a rover.
Please.
That his lonesome
Please don't let me down.
over, Sandman. I'm so alone. Don't have nobody to call my own. Please turn on your magic beam. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Bum, 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 bum.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god, let's make sure I grab the checkbook.
Bring us a dream. Give him a pair of eyes with
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
heart like Pagliacci. And lots of wavy hair like Liberace. Mr. Sandman, someone to hold. Would be so peachy before we're too old. So please turn on your magic beam. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream.
No!
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him two lips like roses and clover. Then tell him that his lonesome nights are over. Sandman, I'm so alone. Don't have nobody to call my own. Please turn on your magic beam. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him the word that I'm not a rover. Then tell him that his lonesome nights are over.
Right into the water.
I'm so alone.
I didn't take any full damage, but I did.
Nobody to call my own.
Eventually, I'll stop the music before I get copyrighted.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream.
In like 5 seconds. No!
Mr. Sandman,
Yes?
bring us a dream.
Yes?
Give him a pair of eyes with a come hither gleam. Give him a lonely heart like Pagliacci. And lots of wavy hair like Liberace. Mr. Sandman, someone to hold would be so peachy before we're too old. So please turn
Okay, I'll stop the
on your
music now
magic
before I get copyrighted. Yeah, I'm definitely getting copyrighted. Please don't copyright me. This video is literally taking forever and literally the pain and suffering right out of my ass. Oh, please, no! Whoever, please don't copyright me because this is literally taking blood, sweat, and tears right out of my ass to create this freaking video. I just don't want to deal with this anymore. I don't like this. Blood, sweat, and tears right out of my ass. Just to make this video. Please don't copyright me. If you do, I'll literally be the most mad person in humanity. Oh my god. Okay, this side literally looks like your mom. But I'm like 99% sure that your mom is your mom is much bigger than this. Whee! Come on. Let's go. Now just watch the car fall right to his death. Never mind. That was boring. How much longer do I have to go? Come on, I hope. Oh my god, this is the best day of my life. Let's go! Let's freaking go! Let's. Oh my god! 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 This is the best day of my life. This is literally the best day of my life. Best day ever. It's literally better than yesterday. Just kidding. This is literally. Well, anyways, this was way better than yesterday. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And for every video now on that will have sound effects. If they get annoying, you can always move on to my older videos or just tell me. I can make a few more that don't really have the sound effects. But I kind of like them in the other videos I watch and I think they're funny and not, and also I think they're really funny. Yeah, they're so funny. Yeah, I think the sound effects in other people's videos are really funny. So I decided to make my own sound effects, and they sound even funnier. Anyways, I'll see you soon in like 5 years. Okay, 2 years. Probably 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, just like tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Whatever. Okay. Anyways, I'll see you later. Because this video took a freaking effort to make. Yeah, now Whee! This is the best day of my life. Anyways, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. For an extra detail, I'll just add some credits.
Somewhere on the edge. Bum, bum, bum.